Bear dancing has existed in India for more than 500 years. Poached from the wild and reared in captivity by nomadic Qalandars, the cubs' noses were painfully pierced through with hot iron, and they were led into a long life of submission and extreme abuse as performing bears. In 1995, WSPA discovered 1,200 bears were experiencing this severe cruelty. But now, thanks to your support, the practice of bear dancing in India has ended. Today, we've helped Qalandars find sustainable alternative livelihoods, so instead of having to force bears to dance for entertainment, they can provide much more stable incomes for their families. The lives of these bears have been transformed forever, and so too have the lives of the Qalandars and their families.
I'd like you to meet Sher Ali. Sher Ali was a bear dancer, and just 4 years back, he would be moving like a nomad from place to place, dancing his bears, whipping it. But today he's a changed man. He has respect in his village. He's a farmer. He's standing on his land and you can see the lush crop. But this has been made possible only because of your help.
मेरे लड़के का भालू था राज अली का, उसमें हम लोग को 60,000 दिया गया, तो हमने पैसा मिला के ये जमीन लिए वाली खेत लिए। अब इसी खेत में हम लोग किसानी अपने कर रहे हैं।
अपने दिल से खुशी से भाजपा को शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
नहीं नचाएंगे, अब हमारा दिल नहीं होता है उसको रखने का, ना नचाने का भी अब नहीं होता।
Thanks to your support, we've achieved so much for bears in India. But the reality for thousands of bears across the world is still grim. In Pakistan, around 50 bears suffer in the blood sport known as bear baiting, and more than 20,000 bears still face painful bile extraction in bear factory farms across Asia. Your passion for animals has made a huge difference in India. Thank you for working with us to end the practice of bear dancing in India. With your ongoing support, we'll keep working until all bears live free from exploitation and cruelty.